Hi witches. So before anyone says anything, yes, I know I look unhinged. I am. I wanted to reflect in this video a little bit on yesterday's full moon ritual, but it was so crazy. I'm still kind of processing it. But it was like in a good way. So this whole month we've been talking about working with the lunar cycle and really just like getting really into that and, starting at the new moon and manifesting an intent. Mine this month was transformation, and I really feel, oh my gosh, I look terrible. I'm so sorry. I haven't slept. Like, I fell asleep at like 4:30 in the morning. So I'm really tired. I'm making coffee, but this is probably as real as this is gonna get. This is probably like a low point in this project. I'm realizing this as I'm watching this back. Like in the future, I'm sure I will laugh at myself because I did some stupid stuff, and I wanted to talk about it because like even as an experienced practitioner, if you guys don't know, if this is your first video with me, first of all, I'm sorry. Second of all, I've been practicing for about 10 years. So I've done this a lot. I'm not obviously as experienced as someone who's been doing it for 30 years, but like I have a general idea of stuff, I would like to think. But basically, okay, only a couple people knew this before, but I'm just gonna talk about it now. I have had a new deity step forward, which is like really exciting, and I think I've actually spoken about that a little bit on here. I can't remember. Reality is dumb. But yesterday was like the first time I fully invoked them in a ritual space, and then like something within there was a lot of chaos because I almost burned down my apartment because I'm stupid and bad with fire. Two, it was just very intense energy last night, so I like didn't do enough like proper grounding, so I was just like wired for I don't know, like another 8 hours like after my ritual, and like it kind of hit me this morning. I fell asleep around 4:30 in the morning, 5 in the morning. I had to feed the cat, and then I don't remember anything until I just woke up. So that's where we're at. But okay, I guess I can give you a hint. I like took this because I like to be dramatic, but this is my hint as to what goddess I'm working with, and that's another hint. 2 hints. You get a hint that it's a goddess and that this is a sacred offering to them. If you haven't figured it out by now, or if I haven't told you, I will be working with them again tonight just to kind of like dedicate myself and like I don't want to say sign a contract because that's not the right thing, but pledge myself in devotion to this deity. I really thought this was going to be something that waited until like the fall because like holy shit, 3 deities coming to me within the span of a year is like a lot. But I was thinking about my whole intention that I had set, which is transformation, and I think that I really needed to like let go of the fear of like, is this just performative, or like is this really happening, because it is really happening to me. So I ordered some books last night, which is really exciting, about this deity, and I ordered some of like the classic texts that they are featured in very heavily, I believe, and if not, they're cool classics, and like I like literature, so they'll be cool anyways. I actually have to get like a new bookshelf for all of my books, but I am really excited to share this with you. I want to work with them a little bit more kind of on the DL. And then I'm going to make a whole video about it next month. Now, next month, just as a PSA, there's a tiny little fruit fly in here, I'm sorry. As a PSA, we are going to be talking all about tarot and the major arcana, which I think is really cool. So we're going to like outline like the Fool's journey from the Fool card all the way to the end of the major arcana and touch on the minor arcana and stuff. I am really excited about that, but interspersed in there will be some like other like lighthearted and like kind of like off-topic videos, because I feel like just be like the tarot for like a couple like dozens of days in a row 20 days in a row is just a lot. So it will be broken up, but it's going to be really fun. I'm really excited. I'm going to work on writing that today, and also kind of cleaning my house, cleansing my space, and getting another altar space kind of ready for working with this deity. So I have a lot of preparation work to do, admittedly, but I'm very excited. And yeah, beyond that and that deity interaction of like, like not forcing, but just kind of like directly requesting me to start working with them like as soon as possible. And with agreeance of all my other deities, I will be talking a little bit about how my practice is changing, because I have a feeling it will, but I want to like finish working on like getting my witchy space set up first before I do like anything major. So look for that video in the future. If you see stuff kind of changing on my altar, that's why, but I'm really excited about this. I have a really good feeling about it. And yeah, I'm really excited to share a little bit more about this once I can, and once I feel comfortable doing that. So all in all, this full moon was very intense. It's actually the most intense I have had all year. I am again going to be kind of harnessing that full moon energy tonight, because you can practice the night before, the night of, and the night after. It's kind of all within that, you know, full moon time frame. So if you missed it last night, you can totally do the stuff tonight. You can still charge moon water and stuff. It's still the full moon. I will be doing a lot more deity work tonight, and doing some more meditation work and more of that kind of like astral hedge witch stuff that I really like. But before that, I'm going to go take a shower. And I don't know, I'm still feeling like really charged up. I had, again, like I laid down and fell asleep. I took a nap basically. So now I'm just like, give me coffee and let me clean my house. And yeah, there's still a lot of lingering energy kind of like lingering. So I'm gonna just kind of ride that out and have a cool ass witchy ass day. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Patrons, I will have videos up tomorrow, and then in August I think the schedule is going to change to Saturday uploads, just because it's like better for my brain space, I think. But yeah, I will see you guys later. Bye.